How to Live on Crypto Part 2. Buy some. Hi, welcome back to How to Live on Crypto. In the first part, I showed you how to use a wallet, the basic mechanism for sending and receiving funds. Now I'll show you how to actually get some crypto to spend. Now I'm separating this into two different sections, ID and no ID. Basically, the first category includes services like banks that are pretty easy to use, but just like banks, they're required to verify your financial identity. The second category does not. While the first category probably has a faster and easier user experience, it also has the same limitations of the old financial system, the exact system we're trying to avoid by using crypto. But if you already have a bank account, don't feel too bad about using a similar service if it's just a lot easier for you to use. Go to dash.org, under Individuals, click on Buy Online. Select your currency, and then sign up for one of the supporting exchanges. Note that some of these may not be that easy to use for new users as they're geared towards traders. I recommend you use Uphold as it's easy and straightforward to use, supports a lot of different currencies, and is even integrated right into the Dash mobile wallet. This is the easiest way to buy Dash. To sign up for Uphold, go to the website, click Sign Up, and follow the instructions to create and verify an account, and add a payment option. You can then buy Dash by creating a Dash card and choosing a payment method. In your mobile wallet, go to Buy and Sell Dash and link your Uphold account. The absolute easiest way to transfer your newly bought Dash out to your wallet is on mobile. Simply press Buy and Sell Dash, then Transfer from Uphold, enter the amount, hit Transfer, and it will show up in your wallet. If you're doing all this on your computer, it's a slightly longer process. Go to your wallet and copy your receiving address, the way I showed you in the last video. Go to your Uphold dashboard, click on your Dash card, click on Send to Cryptocurrency or Utility Token, select Dash, paste in that address, enter the amount, and hit Send. Other than Uphold, Coinbase is another great user-friendly option. If you want to buy with a credit card rather than linking your bank account, try Changelly. Now, let's get to how to buy some crypto if you don't have a bank account or don't want to use your ID. The best way to buy crypto privately is in person for cash from someone you know. And it's as simple as receiving into your wallet just like any other transaction, and once that's concluded, handing over the cash. If you don't know anyone personally, try going to a meetup near you. The best place to look is probably Facebook or meetup.com, or just through a search engine like Google. Search for things like Crypto Meetup, or Cryptocurrency Meetup, or Bitcoin Meetup. The next best way is through an ATM or crypto vending machine. These work about how you suspect. You walk up to the machine, input how much crypto you want to buy, the machine will scan the QR code on your phone wallet, you stick the cash in the machine, and you get some crypto. Depending on the machine operator and on how much you're trying to buy, there may be some ID requirements. Typically, for smaller amounts, there's either no special requirement, or it asks for your phone number only. With large amounts, they'll ask for your ID, and at that point you may be better off just using an exchange, unless you don't want to link your bank account, or you don't have one. To find an ATM near you, go to dash.org and under Individuals, click on Find an ATM. That will bring up a global map of ATMs where you can find one near you to buy from. If you have some crypto already, but it isn't something that's easy to spend or commonly used as money, you can swap it into something like Dash that is. This is much easier than exchanging it for regular money. Using a service like SwapSpace, enter the amount you want to exchange or receive, enter the receiving address of the crypto you want to receive, and then pay the resulting invoice with the crypto you already have. Of course, the very best way of getting some crypto is the same way you get money today, getting paid in it. There will be a video later showing you exactly how to do that, but in the meantime, if you can convince someone to pay you with crypto, it's just as easy as receiving any other kind of transaction. That's it for this episode, and once again, all the links to everything we discussed will be down below. Next time I'll show you how to buy stuff online. See you soon!